Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entry. I, Deepmani Bhardwaj, welcome to all again, and today we will be discussing about the India's first air taxi service. Yeah, you have listened it right. India's first air taxi services have been started, and from where it's launched in Haryana. Moreover, it is spreading in other parts of our country as well. Now, this air taxi is not in our mind anymore. That is, it is not in our dream anymore. It is really implemented in India and it has already started this year itself. So, what is it all about? What will be its price? Where all you can travel using it? So, we'll be discussing each and everything regarding that. So, let's start with our topic. See, as I have already told you, India has launched air taxi service. So this service is first launched in Haryana. Fine. And as you are aware that Haryana's chief minister is Manohar Lal Khattar. So it was inaugurated by him itself. Fine. So the flight is going to operate from Chandigarh to Hisar and have been developed under the Udan scheme of the central government. In the later part of this lecture, I'll tell you about this Udan scheme also, what government is exactly planning. Fine. So during the inauguration ceremony, Chief Minister of Haryana, that is Mr. Manohar Lal Khattar, had handed over a boarding pass to the first passenger of the aircraft. The service is being operated by the Air Taxi Aviation Company. Fine. Now, if we talk about the features of this taxi, then let's understand about it. So the air taxis have 4 seats, 1 for the pilot and 3 for the passengers. So this means that in a single air taxi, 3 passengers can accommodate it. Now, and the distance between 2 places is covered in 45 minutes. This is regarding this flight. You have to pay an affordable price of Indian rupees, that is 1755. It's only of 1800 rupees per seat. There will be a scheduled flight daily which will take off even if there is only one passenger, making it very convenient for everyone who wants to fly. This is a important thing. People think that only if I have booked, then what will happen? You need not worry about that, because they have already told that even if one passenger has booked it, it will travel by time. So there will be a schedule via which it is going to fly. Fine. If we talk about more about this taxi, then this air taxi has the capacity to seat 1 pilot and 3 passengers. Fine. This air taxi is the lightest twin engine plane in the world with a weight of 760 kgs. This is about the empty weight. If something will be kept, no doubt that could be added in that. Fine. It can fly on F-gas and standard 92 octane petroleum instead of ATF, that is aviation turbine fuel. So these are alternatives to ATF. If we talk about its distance, that is how much it can travel, so it has a range of 742 nautical miles. Fine. Next, it is produced by Cortuzini Aeronautic Technem. The air taxi houses small twin engine Technem P20060. You can opt for the service for rupees 1755 per seat, which I've already told you. It is in line with the government's aim to facilitate air's connectivity with metros to tier 2 and tier 3 cities of the country. Per seat, a subsidy is provided by the government to the airlines for better connectivity with the smaller towns. So here subsidy is provided by the government. Fine. So now what all cities are being connected? Let's have a look at that also. So this is not all. As I already told you, on 14th January 2021, in its first phase, Chandigarh to Hisar, this route was started. But on 18th January 2021, in its second phase, Hisar to Dehradun route was also started. Fine. On 23rd January 2021, in its third phase, 2 more routes, that is Chandigarh to Dehradun and Hisar to Dharamshala, is also going to start. So now you can just see the person or those people who are just living for traveling part. What a news is this for them, isn't it? You need not travel on those crowded buses or using those trains when you are having such a wonderful air taxi, and that too for some of the famous hill stations like Shimla, Kullu and other routes. This company is even planning for. Fine. So in the future or in the upcoming time, these flights you can use for traveling to Shimla and Kullu as well. So this means that this is really a future that we were aiming for, and this has been accomplished. So it's a wonderful news for us all. And if we talk more about this air taxi, then this particular air taxi is under the Udan scheme. Fine. So under this Udan scheme, the connectivity will be done for the tier 2 and tier 3 cities across India. Fine. So this was all about air taxi. In case you want to ask anything, comment section is available for you. So please do like this video, comment on it and share as much as possible. So thanking you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.